Today our topic is Current Affairs Part 9. These bits are useful to UPSC, SSC, RRB and other government examinations like PSUs. Please do subscribe my YouTube channel, like and share my videos. Which state has proposed to set up the first blockchain district in India? The given options are A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Telangana, D. Tamil Nadu. The given option C is correct one, Telangana. On 4th August 2019, the Telangana state government signed MOUs with Tech Mahindra, Nucleus Vision and 1101 Foundation to launch India's first blockchain district. Telangana government proposed 25% subsidy on lease rentals up to 5 lakh per annum for the first 3 years of operations. The book titled COVID-19 Crisis of Civilization and Solutions has been written by the given options are A. Harivansh Narayan Singh, B. Kailash Satyarthi, C. Deepak Mishra, D. Praveen K. Mehta. The given option B is correct one, Kailash Satyarthi. The book titled COVID-19 Sabhyata Ka Sankat aur Samadhan, COVID-19 Crisis of Civilization and Solutions has been written by Nobel laureate Kailash Satyarthi. This book was launched by former Chief Justice of India Deepak Mishra and Rajya Sabha Deputy Chairman Harivansh Narayan Singh on December 17, 2020. Which Indian institute has developed the world's first ever Indian Brain Atlas? The given options are A. IIIT Hyderabad, B. IIT Delhi, C. AIIMS Delhi, D. ISC Bangalore. The given option A. IIIT Hyderabad is correct answer. Researchers at the IIIT Hyderabad has developed the first ever Indian Brain Atlas IBA in November 2019. The Indian Human Brain Atlas construction was undertaken by the team of IIIT Hyderabad researchers was led by Jayanti Sivaswamy. In which Indian state has topped in the State of Young Child in India report? The given options are A. Goa, B. Tripura, C. Tamil Nadu, D. Kerala. The given option D is correct one, Kerala. Kerala, Goa, Tripura, Tamil Nadu and Mizoram are among the top 5 states. The State of Young Child in India report for the well-being of children. In September 2020, the State of the Young Child in India report was released by Mobile Crashes, a non-governmental organization. Shri Narendra Modi is the dash of India. The given options are A. Speaker of Lok Sabha, B. Prime Minister, C. Leader of Opposition, D. President. The option B is correct one, Prime Minister. Narendra Damodar Das Modi is an Indian politician serving as the 14th and current Prime Minister of India since 2014. He was born on 17 September 1950. He was the Chief Minister of Gujarat from 2001 to 2014 and is the Member of Parliament for Varanasi. Modi is a member of the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Rashtriya Swayamsevak Sangh. Which of the following is organizing Udyog Mantran from Jan 4 to March 2, 2021? The given options are A. FICCI, B. Niti Aayog, C. Department for Promotion of Industry and International Trade, D. Ministry of Corporate Affairs. The given option C is correct one. Department for Promotion of Industry and International Trade. The Department for Promotional of Industry and International Trade is organizing Udyog Mantran from Jan 4th to March 2nd, 2021. It is a marathon of focused sector-specific webinars for promoting quality and productivity in Indian industry. Who has been selected for the Senior Scientist Award for the year 2020? The given options are Dr. Suryakant, B. Dr. Salil Tandon, C. Dr. Mayank Singh, D. Dr. Samir Damare. The correct option is D. Dr. Samir Damare. Dr. Samir Damare has been selected for the Senior Scientist Award for the year 2020. He was selected by the Microbiologist Society India. He has received this award in recognition for his research in the field of extremophiles, microbiology, biotechnology, and molecular biology. The book Delhi Riots 2020, The Untold Story is written by Dash. The given options are A. Nirmal Verma, B. Monica Arora, C. Amish Tripathi, D. Kiran Bedi. The given option B is correct one, Monica Arora. The book Delhi Riots 2020, The Untold Story has been written by Monica Arora, Sonali Chitlakar and Prema Malhotra. The book was published by Garuda Prakashan. The Untold Story alleges that the February 2020 Delhi riots were the result of a pre-planned conspiracy. Who is the Commander-in-Chief of the Indian Armed Forces? The given options are A. Prime Minister, B. Vice President, C. Chief Army of Staff, D. President. The correct option is D. President. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Armed Forces. It consists of three professional uniformed services: the Indian Army, Indian Navy, and the Indian Air Force. In India, the Armed Forces Flag Day is celebrated on. The given options are A. 7th December, B. 6th December, C. 8th December, D. 9th December. The given option A is correct one, 7th December. In India, the Armed Forces Flag Day is celebrated on 7th December every year. It has been observed annually in India on December 7th since 1949. On August 28, 1949, a committee set up under the Defense Minister decided to observe a Flag Day annually on December 7th. If you like the video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel and share with your friends, like and comment about my video. Thank you.